Welcome to Structorium. What is a process? Every factory has machines, workers, and materials, but none of that matters without one thing: a process. Many engineers work inside processes every day, but can't clearly explain what a process actually is. A process is a sequence of steps that transforms inputs into outputs. Input is what you start with. Output is what you get at the end. Inside a process, something changes. Material is shaped, assembled, or treated. This change is called transformation. And each small action inside the process is called a step. For example, you take a metal part, this is the input. You heat it. You change its properties. You cool it down. And now you have a hardened part. That's a process. When steps are connected in the right order, we call it a flow. If the flow is broken, the process stops. So, a process is not just work. It's a structured flow of steps that transforms inputs into outputs. If you understand the process, you can improve it.